Myself Rachna Thakkar. I am your EVS teacher from Brilliant Public School. Today, let us learn about plants and the leaf. Let us understand how animals are dependent on the plants for their food. Do you know, children, what do lion, leopard and fox eat for their survival? They eat animals like deer, rabbit and cow. Now, what do animals like deer, rabbit and cow eat? They all eat plants for their survival. So, we can conclude that some animals depend directly on plants and some depend indirectly. Have you ever thought, children, what do plants eat for their survival? Plants feed themselves through a process called as photosynthesis, which occurs in the leaf part of the plant. Now you can imagine how important the leaf is for our natural food chain. So let us understand the parts of leaf. The line which goes through the center of the leaf is called main vein. The lines which go towards both the sides from the center are called side vein. The line which connects the stem of the leaf is called as stalk. If we magnify the leaf through microscope, we can see many small parts of the leaf. The very small holes near the main vein are called as stomata. The flat side of the leaf is called as leaf blade. Now let us understand functions of the parts of leaf in preparing the food. The leaf blade is also called as lamina. It provides large surface area necessary to absorb the air, light and carbon dioxide for food process. Main vein brings raw material necessary for the food. It also supports the leaf blade. Side veins carry the raw material to main vein and carries food after the photosynthesis process gets completed. It also maintains the flat shape of the leaf. Stalk holds the leaf in such a way that it exposes the maximum sunlight. Stalk also carries food from the main vein to stem. Stomata absorb the carbon dioxide from the nature to use in process and release oxygen into atmosphere, which is the product of photosynthesis. They are all the important parts for the photosynthesis process and are ultimately directly or indirectly responsible for the survival. So today we have learned different parts of the leaf and their functions. Thank you, children. Stay safe. Stay at your home till we meet next time. Bye-bye.